Welcome to the OpenAI API Developer Course. In this course, we will develop our solutions using the TypeScript language and will cover the new and innovative possibilities for the future of software development, which leverages OpenAI's latest APIs. In this program, you'll embark on a journey to master the cutting-edge technologies and tools provided by OpenAI, a pioneer in artificial intelligence research. First, let's explore why OpenAI is at the forefront of the AI revolution. Founded with a mission to ensure that artificial intelligence benefits all of humanity, OpenAI has been at the forefront of AI research and development since its inception. With a commitment to safety, reliability, and transparency, OpenAI has pioneered breakthroughs in natural language processing, computer vision, and reinforcement learning, and is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. As an OpenAI developer, you'll have access to some of the most advanced AI models and APIs available today, including GPT, generative pre-trained transformers, CLIP, contrastive language image pre-training, and GPT Image 1 to leverage world-class image generation capabilities. These powerful tools help developers like you create innovative solutions across a wide range of industries, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and education. Throughout this learning program, you'll dive deep into the intricacies of these OpenAI models and learn how to harness their full potential to solve real-world problems. Our development will cover the entire OpenAI API ecosystem, from chat completion and image generation to speech transcription and language translation, all using the TypeScript programming language. TypeScript is a powerful programming language, widely used in advanced web and, more importantly, server-side projects, making it an ideal choice for implementing OpenAI's APIs. While learning the OpenAI specifics make this course ideal for developers who are both seasoned AI experts as well as AI newcomers, in order to get the most out of this course, it is assumed that you are familiar and comfortable working with a terminal command line interface and already have programming experience. You should also have a basic understanding of TypeScript or another programming language and have a good foundation in programming. This is important because in this course, we will be focusing on the OpenAI API integrations with TypeScript, but will not be covering entry-level or basic programming principles. Whether you're a seasoned AI expert or just beginning your journey in the field, this course is designed to equip you with the in-depth AI knowledge, skills, and expertise you'll need to thrive in today's AI-driven world. By becoming an OpenAI developer with TypeScript, you'll not only give you the expertise to develop innovative solutions that will help in shaping the future of AI, it will also give you the confidence to tackle complex challenges and create impactful applications that can transform industries. Get ready to unleash your creativity, unlock new possibilities, and revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Join us as we embark on this transformative journey together. Let's dive in and explore the potential of AI together.